Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in sports gear and equipment. Today, we're diving into the world of youth soccer with a focus on a product that stands out in the market: the EFAH Sports Soccer Goalie Goalkeeper Gloves. These gloves have quickly earned a reputation as the best youth goalkeeper gloves available today. The EFAH Sports Soccer Goalie Gloves are specifically designed for kids, making them an excellent choice for young aspiring goalkeepers. With a price point of $15.89, these gloves combine quality with affordability, ensuring that you won't have to break the bank to equip your young athlete. What's more, they are recognized as the #1 bestseller in the soccer goalkeeper gloves category on Amazon, boasting an impressive 4.4 out of 5-star rating from over 7,400 customers. So, what makes these gloves so special? First off, let's talk about the material. The EFAH sports gloves are made from a breathable, skin-friendly fabric that is both anti-slip and wear-resistant. This combination ensures that young players can maintain a firm grip on the ball, whether they're playing in wet or dry conditions. The gloves are crafted with professional quality in mind, featuring double stitching for enhanced durability and a design that prioritizes comfort. Next, let's discuss functionality. These gloves are designed with an adjustable hook and loop strap, which offers excellent wrist support. This feature allows young goalkeepers to adjust the gloves for a perfect fit, ensuring that they can move freely and confidently while guarding the goal. This is particularly important for developing players who are just starting their journey in soccer. Another standout aspect of the EFAH sports gloves is their breathability. The elastic mesh fabric keeps young hands cool during play, allowing for greater flexibility and comfort. This is a significant advantage for goalkeepers, who often find themselves in high-pressure situations where they need to be quick on their feet. With these gloves, young athletes can focus on their game without distractions from uncomfortable equipment. What's impressive about these goalkeeper gloves is their versatility. They are designed to perform well in various weather conditions, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor games. Whether your young athlete is playing on a sunny afternoon or facing the elements during a rain-soaked match, the EFAH sports gloves provide the protection and grip needed to succeed. Lastly, the brand offers excellent after-sales service. Should you encounter any issues or have questions about your purchase, EFAH Sports is ready to assist, ensuring customer satisfaction. This commitment to service further enhances the overall value of these gloves. In conclusion, the EFAH Sports Soccer Goalie Goalkeeper Gloves for kids stand out as the best choice for young players. With a perfect blend of quality, comfort, and performance, these gloves will help any aspiring goalkeeper develop their skills and confidence on the field. If you're looking to equip your child with reliable goalkeeper gloves that won't let them down, these are certainly worth considering. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product analyses and recommendations. Keep practicing, and we'll see you on the field.